So I was just watching the video and Lucy starts barking because she hears herself barking on the video. VI Blind Resources logo, me shooting a gun, a girl walking with her guide dog, my braille note, me skateboarding with my cane, my 2 dogs, and my 4 cats. A better description is on our Instagram. Alright, so Ginger here is running around the outside, or she was. Now she's inside the trampoline with the net on. Oh, she's gonna do it again. She's running on the outside of the trampoline, and Lucy is chasing and barking at her. Oh, my crazy girl. I love you. I love you. Be careful. Ginger, be careful. Come here. In here. Yes. There we go. Let's zip it. Let me zip it. Where's the zipper? I think the zipper on our net is broken. Whoa, hi, Lucy. Lucy, look at, say hi to the people. Lucy. I'm sorry, I can't see very well. It's kind of gloomy out today, and I'm wearing my sunglasses. So, Lucy, are you okay? Oh, she's coughing. Oh, Lucy, stop. We're being attacked. We're kittens. Stop, Lucy. Stop. Stop. Can you chase your mommy? Oh, hi, Lucy. Ow, Lucy. Stop. Lucy, stop it. Calm down. I think that Ginger is rubbing her body on the side of the trampoline. Camera on me now. So good morning. I'm just sitting here on my trampoline. I'm wearing a Rugrats t-shirt and some capri pants. And I'm wearing my sunglasses. So, back to the craziness by my dogs. Oh, hi. What's up, guys? Lucy. What? Hey, be nice. Calm down. She wants to play. She's trying to get my hand. Oh, let's play. A view of the sky as I lay on my back on the trampoline. Look at the sky right now. It's like super cloudy. There are like some white clouds and some dark gray clouds, and there's a bit of blue sky. So now I intended to come out here to jump on the trampoline, but the dogs wanted to come up here, so yeah. Now I figured I'd show you guys my crazy girls. I calmed down a bit now, so they aren't running around the edges of the trampoline anymore. Oh, look, Susie. I think that they're doing that because they want to scratch their bodies on the net, and I think it helps. It like just scratches that itch that they can't get. And Lucy just wants to chase Ginger because Lucy's like a little hunter dog. She's a Chorky, and she's black and tan. And Ginger is black and tan, but she's a Chihuahua. And Chorkies are part Yorkshire Terrier and part Chihuahua. So terriers are little. They hunt like rabbits and little creatures like that, and like rabbits and gophers and things. And Lucy had actually caught a bird before, back when she didn't limp, because she got in a car wreck when I was in got in a car wreck. Wow. Because when I was in high school, she got hit by a car, and so she limps now. Camera back on me now. So her leg bugs her a lot, and when it's cold, and it just bugs her some days. So some days she'll be limping on 3 legs, then other days she'll use all her legs. But so she can't jump very high anymore and get those birds. So I was just watching the video, and Lucy starts barking because she hears herself barking on the video. Like, that's you dork. She's so silly. And so they're both off the trampoline now. They jumped off. And they're fine. Yeah. I was trying to get them to not do that because I didn't want them to get hurt, but then when I wasn't looking, they jumped off the trampoline. So they're fine now. Well, I'm gonna go jump now. Also, if you want to see the video about why I wear sunglasses, watch the why I wear glasses / what I can see video. It's in the Need to Know playlist. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day, and me, my mom, and Amber are all heading to the Goodwill. And Amber's driving. I got my hair up in a bun, and I'm wearing a pink sweatshirt with a cat on it. Right? This was on my sweatshirt, right? I wasn't sure. Okay. Look at this cute little llama we found. It's white and then it has like purple polka dots. Oh wait, all different colored polka dots. And it has short little stubby legs and they're pink. They're cute. We're at Lumberjacks now, and the line at the Goodwill was so long, and so we didn't end up getting anything. So now we're just gonna get some food, and I got like this turkey, or what's it called? A hot roast melt thing. Me and Mom are sharing, and then Amber got some breakfast food. Then she got like biscuits and gravy or something. Okay, so we're home now, and I'm sitting here with Ginger on the couch. Hi, Ginger! Look at the camera. Look. Yeah, there you go. Look at the camera. There you go. Look at the camera. Oh, hi. Lucy. Ginger, you can sit on my lap now? Huh? Are you sniffing me? You're silly. And now you're gonna keep me warm because it was chilly outside. Huh? Do I smell like food? Huh? Lucy, where are you at? Oh. Lucy! There she is. She's over on the other end of the couch, curled up in a little ball, huh? Alright guys, so I'm home now. We went to the Goodwill for a second time and actually got some stuff. I got the skirt and some cardigans. We also got Bentley some cute clothes and 2 pillow pets so I can do a cool project with them. Yeah. Ginger's sitting here, laying here on the bed. She's licking my hand. Hi girl, I love you. Lucy, look at me girl. Look at me. Lucy, look at me. Here she is. She was laying on top of the cat blanket. I think like a little bit behind Ginger. Huh. Okay. Alright. Camera back on me now. I did one clip from when we were in the store, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to get it because hopefully my phone will turn back on. It got really hot for some reason. So I'm just going to leave it off for the rest of the night. And tomorrow when I'm awake, I'm going to try charging it. Just in case there's like a fire or something. I don't want that to happen. So yeah, I just need to be awake to keep an eye on it. So gonna do that tomorrow. So wish me luck. I had a great time hanging out with my mom and sister today. And it was just a nice time to just hang out with them because we haven't done that in a while. And I love you guys. So I will catch you next time. Good night.